There are two groups, as far as I see it, with upper blephs, who are candidates. And the first group are the functional group, so that's for men and for women. And that's essentially where the upper eyelid skin is excessive to the point where it's starting to affect their field of vision. So it actually toses or droops down over their eyes itself. And so for some people, it's a time thing. As time goes on, everything again descends, so that becomes more of an issue. For a lot of people, it runs in the family as well. So for people with excessive upper eyelid skin, it can be a generational thing that happens to all the generations. The criteria for that is basically if the skin of the upper eyelid hangs down and touches the eyelashes, then that becomes a medical reason for having the surgery. But certainly having an obscured field of vision is clearly a reason. The other group is the more elective or cosmetic group, and that's for the person who does have a puffy upper eyelid or puffy eyes, having that appearance. And it's also the person, it's not just the puffiness, it's kind of the person who looks a bit tired or a little bit angry sometimes. It's those people who they don't feel tired, but they get comments that are they tired or not? And so for those people, they don't have a visual field problem, but they just want to look a bit brighter. So it's one of those operations that I think is quite subtle. So it's not this dramatic change like a breast augmentation can be. It's a really subtle change where people, I think, just look brighter and just a little bit more, with a little bit more of a twinkle, so to speak, rather than this dramatic difference in things. The other thing that a lot of people have issue with is just that puffiness. So it's not just the excess skin, but that puffiness around the eyes. So sometimes, for those people, I will resect a bit of fat as well from that region. And that needs to be done cautiously, obviously, because if you take too much, you can hollow out the eyes as well. So it's pretty cautious with doing that, but that can help to brighten things up. And for women, it gives them that eyeshadow area, so you can actually put some eyeshadow on and brighten up the eyes.